Hello students and welcome to your first day of school. I am Mrs. Daniel and I am your math teacher. Sorry that I cannot be with you today, but welcome to our classroom. I would like to share with you a quote that I really like and I think will hopefully inspire you to achieve additional ability this year, and that is work and effort create ability. Anytime that you want the ability to do something, it takes work and effort, and here is no different. So welcome to our classroom where work and effort create ability, and I look forward to helping you learn lots this year. In our classroom, there are three non-negotiable rules that I have for you, and you can see them up above the smartboard right now. They are be respectful, be responsible, and try your best. These rules encompass much and apply to each and every one of us, including both students and me here as your teacher. I love these rules because I believe that they lead to success not only in our classroom, but daily as you live your lives. These rules not only create a great atmosphere for learning, but they also help you to show your kind, hardworking, responsible character and also your drive to succeed, which will all take you very far in life. Like I said, these rules apply to both you and me, so let's start with the first one. Being respectful in our classroom goes both ways. As your teacher, I will kindly teach you, correct your behavior, address you by name. Be a good listener when you try to share what you understand and what you don't understand. In terms of what that looks like for you as a student, I expect that you are using respectful and kind language both towards me and your peers. I also expect you to think before you speak. You can see the Think Before You Speak poster at the front of the room. Always make sure that what you are saying is thoughtful and truthful, helpful, inspiring, necessary, and kind. When what you say meets these requirements, you're showing respect to the people around you. This also includes keeping your hands and feet to yourself, using classroom resources appropriately. This shows appreciation, which is a form of respect. And also being a good listener. There's a time to talk and a time to listen and learn, and it's important for you to know the difference between the two. Responsibility also goes both ways. As a teacher, I'm responsible for your learning. That is my number one priority. So as we're doing so, I'll do my best to plan activities, that are content focused, but that are also engaging for you. I will prepare our lessons on time and to my best quality. That's my responsibility as your teacher. For you as a student, responsibility comes in a few forms, but the biggest of those forms is the responsibility to learn. This includes studying and turning in all your assignments on time. This shows a great responsibility on your part. But it also includes taking care of our classroom. If you see a problem with our classroom and it's within your ability, responsibility, and the time frame that you have, fix the problem. If you see paper on the floor, pick it up and throw it away. Keep our classroom looking nice. It is a place to learn, but it's also a place for you to show your responsibility as a component in that classroom. The last one is to try your best. In everything that we do, we need to give our best effort. As your teacher, I'll give you my best teaching abilities, but in return, I also expect your best abilities as a student and as a learner. So put forth effort. Don't be satisfied by anything less than your best. You have the ability to learn here, and you have to be here, so do your best and learn as much as you can. And do so with a spirit of enthusiasm. Be positive. Positivity is courageous, it's contagious, and it's inspiring to others. So be positive. You can learn, and it might take effort, but you can do it. Now there are two more things that we're going to talk about today, and then we'll talk about other classroom procedures on Monday. But the thing that most of you ask about on the first day is seating. Now notice, this is seating for now. For now, you may sit wherever you would like in our classroom. But I expect maturity in your academic behavior. Like I said earlier, There's a time to talk and a time to learn. And I feel that you are at the point in your educational career that you can make a good choice as to when to listen and when to talk. When you are mature in your academic behavior, you may sit wherever you want for now. But the first time that there's a problem with any student in the classroom that I have to correct, that may change. So if you see someone who's off task, kindly redirect them back to the way that they should be behaving, and you can continue to sit where you would like. The other thing that I would like to address with you is your first homework assignment. Don't worry, it's more for your parents than it is for you. I need you to take home a parent letter, which also includes a brief summary of the assignments that are in our classroom, dates for Math Weekly assignments, which you'll talk more about tomorrow, and a parent card that needs completed and returned by next Wednesday, which is August the 26th. The last thing that I would like you to do today is I want to get to know you. So I have a handout for you that will tell me a little bit about who you are. And I look forward to reading them and learning more about you. So have a great first day, and I will see you on Monday.